Okay, this is our question that I passed out on Thursday before the break on the 18th. And we discussed it on Tuesday the 23rd. After a trip to the aquarium, some students compared the tail fins of a shark with the tail fins of a bony fish. The students made a chart listing the characteristics of each type of tail fin. And so it describes the shark tail fin as having two lobes of different sizes and having a stiff fin and no bone in the fin, no muscle control in the fin, and it's only able to swim forward. Whereas the bony fishtail is described as having two lobes of the same size, flexible fin, thin bony spines in the fin. It is controlled by muscles, and it can swim forwards or backwards. Okay. So the shark tail fin has lobes of different sizes, stiff, no bone, no muscle control, only forward swimming. Bony fishtail fin is lobes of the same size, flexible, thin bony spines, controlled by muscles, and forward and backward swimming. So our question states, based on this information, the information above, what is most likely an advantage that the bony fish has over the shark tail fin? Okay, so the bony fish tail fin has over the shark tail fin. So we're looking for something that makes it better. That's what an advantage is. An advantage would be something that makes it better, makes it more than what it should be. Okay? Questions. It is easier for the bony fish to change directions quickly since muscle control the movements of the tail fin. It is true that muscles control the tail fin, and it is true that changing directions quickly would be an advantage. So that might be the answer. The bones in the tail fin, so there are bones in the tail fin, help the bony fish sink lower depths of the water when searching for food. It doesn't say anything about depths of water, and so we're not sure that that is going to be an advantage over the shark. The flexible tail fin, so we do know that it does have a flexible tail fin, fanned by the water so that the bony fish uses less energy. This could be an advantage to swim. So when you're dealing with the shark, that less energy might be more of an advantage. I said B was not the answer. And so C could be the answer. The thin spines of the tail fin prevent the bony fish, so we do know that the thin spines is a characteristic, and it prevents the bony fish from being seen by the large predators. I don't know that that's going to be the case or would be an advantage, so D is not the answer. Okay, so now we're looking at A. It is easier for the bony fish to change directions quickly since muscle control and movement of the tail fin, or the flexible fin fanned by the water so that the bony fish uses less energy to swim. When you're looking at the answer choices the information at the top, it really seems to concentrate on movement up here. And so that I would say that A is the better answer choice because being able to move forward, its flexibility, its muscle control would give it an advantage when moving versus the shark's movements. Okay, so the answer choice to this one is A.